Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Squarespace SEO settings for higher local traffic. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Squarespace account. Select the website you want to optimize for local SEO. Navigate to the marketing section on the left sidebar. Click on SEO to access your SEO settings. In the basic SEO section, fill out your site title and description. Ensure your site title includes relevant keywords related to your local business. Your description should concisely summarize what your business offers, using local keywords. Next, scroll down to the SEO settings section. Enable the option for search engine indexing. This allows search engines to crawl your website, boosting visibility. Now, click on page settings for each page on your site. Optimize each page title and URL slug with relevant local keywords. Make sure each page has a unique meta description tailored to its content. Return to the marketing section and select domains. Connect a domain that reflects your business name or location. A relevant domain enhances your site's credibility and local search ranking. Next, go to Settings and choose Location. Enter your business's physical address accurately. This helps search engines associate your business with a specific locality. After that, you can set up a Google My Business profile. Linking this profile to your site improves local search visibility. Now, create quality content that highlights local events or topics. This can attract local traffic and improve your overall SEO. Consider adding a blog featuring local news or updates. Consistent content creation signals to search engines that your site is active. Lastly, monitor your site's performance using Google Analytics. This helps you understand your audience and refine your SEO strategy. By following these steps, you'll optimize your Squarespace site for higher local traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.